How to fix Instagram not uploading posts. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. First of all, what you're going to do is you are going to go on your Instagram app, and you have to long press it, and then you have to go to the I option. You can also go here by going to your settings and then your applications, and over here you have to go on Instagram. Now over here in the permissions, you can see no permission is allowed to my Instagram app. In order to upload any post, I have to give the permissions. Now as I say, I have to give the permission for phone and all the permissions that are required. So I can give all the permissions right now, like say I'm going to go on the camera and allow while I'm using app, and I have given this permission. Now if I have given the permission but still the problem is on, then I have to go on the storage application storage. Then I have to clear cache from here by clicking on clear cache. As I clear cache from here, then my Instagram app will just reboot itself and it will fix the problem. This is all the you can do to fix Instagram not uploading posts. If this problem still prevails, then you can contact the Instagram. And how you can contact the Instagram, the link is in my description for that video, how to contact Instagram. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.